Hello everybody, I'm gonna look the same for the next two videos. As you guys can see, I did a Walmart haul. However, I want to share with you guys what is already in my pantry, my fridge and freezers. So let's go. Alright, starting with the pantry. We're pretty stocked. We are low on a few things, which I grabbed. We're out of goldfish. That's a problem. I grabbed some. We're almost out of donuts. I grabbed some. We have plenty of cereal, oatmeal, oats, coffee. We don't need any. This is sugar, and we are out. We have powdered sugar back there. We have sunflower. You'll see I got more, and then we have brown sugar up there. And here is my baking kit. It has like all cake mixes and things like that. This in here is like pasta sides, super easy. These are all my sauce packets and tomato paste, because I buy my tomato paste in a tube. It makes more sense. Here is more pastas. I want to say one of them is animals and little fun things for little man. My mom, I swear, y'all are dying on me. That seasoning is what I use for Mexican rice, crackers, iced tea. Hubby said he had enough. He does. Perfect. Okay. Crystalis or shell pasta. This is regular spaghetti pasta. They're just cut in half. This works better for little man, so we all eat it this way. And then we have Italian panko and Italian breadcrumbs. Not a lot left, so we'll probably use both of those when we make meatloaf. We have mac and cheese here all the way back. I did grab one more mac and cheese just to make this to the top. Rice-a-roni back here. I didn't grab any more. Our store was ridiculous. This is all stuffing, and then this is like scalloped potatoes, and I believe hamburger helper back there. Here is a Jell-O, and then this is all like muffin mixes, baking soda, more baking stuff that didn't fit up there. This is our snack bin, so we have puddings and crackers and mini these and graham crackers. Jameson knows he can get those. Each of these are literally only a few chips left, so I did grab some of those. Rice cakes are in here, and then like sweet chocolatey stuff, because that's normally what people put on the rice cake, so we just put them next to each other, because we were almost out and we were out of room at the time. Rice paper for spring rolls, and then this is like our taco shells and stuff, extra bread, all that will go there. Beans, quite a bit of beans. I didn't buy any today. That's good enough. Animal crackers, pretzels, and Fruit Loops. I know I'm almost out of pretzels, but I go to BJ's for that. Mandarin oranges are supposed to be down here. This is instant potatoes, rice, extra animal cookies. These are like sauces and condiments and stuff. Tuna, broth, rice. Spam is back there. This is all ramen. As you guys saw, I did grab another box of ramen just to have on hand. We go through ramen like crazy. So, and then back here is all drink mixes and teas and stuff. Jameson's, Kool-Aid jammers, and extra drinks down there. Extra Gatorade mixes and stuff down there. In here is pasta sauces and cans. They were too heavy to go onto the actual rack. So then you see some totally forgot here. Sorry. Sweets. Extra coffee. Popcorn is in there. Ziploc bags. Grits. Crackers. I don't know why those are there. And then the other ones are there. Whatever. It's fine. I'll fix it. And this is just a random. All of our spices are here. And then this is just extra random stuff. So that is our pantry. Moving on to the fridge. Not much. We're pretty bare. Condiments like every other fridge. This is coffee stuff. Leftovers. Go to your room. He's driving everybody crazy. Chris and I went out for our anniversary. That's what those are. This is leftovers as well. So leftovers are on top. Cream cheeses. I didn't get bagels this time, but I will when I go to the other store. These are extra containers for whatever. That's an extra one that's empty. These are Jameson's applesauces. Jameson's yogurt tubes. So he's almost out of both. His lunch, he actually stayed home today. We had a really big storm and nobody slept. So I'd rather deal with a cranky child than having him go to school and then deal with a cranky child. We have eggs back there. And then up there is bacon for breakfast. This is cheesecake. Chris's birthday and our anniversary was on the 21st. So go ahead and wish him a happy birthday down in the comments. Cheese and meats. And then the only veggies we have right now are peppers. And then we have butter here. I did grab a crap ton because I did not know we had 3. It's totally fine that we go through butter like crazy. So it's not a big deal. Those are frozen bananas and strawberries. Veggies. Burritos. And then this is little man's. So it's got his pizza rolls, his chicken nuggets. He's out of pizza rolls. It's fine. I'll grab some hash browns and peas. He knows he can come in and grab them. He knows how to use the microwave. And if he wants hash browns, he just asks mom or dad or mama or papa. So this is what this looks like. We're about to stock it. Welcome to the garage / man cave / bar. Only thing we have in here is some breakfast, sausage, bacon, bourbon caramel ice cream, and ice. We are brining an entire slab of pork. It's going to make bacon. And then these are my dad's favorite drinks. Some condiments he uses for barbecue. V8 juices, everything he needs for Bloody Marys and alcohol. So this is mainly an alcohol drink fridge type thing. This bad boy is a meat freezer. And it is packed full of meat. So, this is why I didn't have to buy a whole lot, even in the fridge, the freezer portion, door. And then he just has the bar glasses because they were too heavy in the other one. But this is our meat freezer. This and this one, and these 3 are for the business. So they're just being stored in here right now because their business freezer is super jam-packed. But this is what our meat freezer looks like. We have everything from ground beef, pork chops, chicken, ground turkey down there. So we are set on meat with what I got. Okay, hold on.
No, where is apple juice?
Hold on.
You want me to help